Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus Israeli style, full guide. Begin by rinsing chickpeas and preparing tahini. Peel a few chickpeas for garnish and set up your food processor. Measure lemon juice and garlic, then pulse with tahini before adding chickpeas. Slowly add cold water to reach a smooth, airy texture and finish with olive oil, paprika, and fresh parsley for a bright, authentic plate. Measure your ingredients precisely for consistent results and taste. Soak dried chickpeas overnight or choose canned for speed. Both work with slight differences. Toasting sesame makes a nuttier tahini if you make it yourself, but store-bought saves time. Keep ice-cold water nearby to whip into a fluffy texture while blending. Taste and adjust lemon, garlic, and salt gradually until the flavor sings bright and balanced for serving. Blend in stages to get the perfect Israeli hummus texture. First, emulsify tahini with lemon and garlic to create a creamy base, then add chickpeas in batches to avoid overworking your motor. Use short pulses and scrape down the bowl as needed for an even blend. Incorporate ice water gradually until the hummus becomes light and airy rather than dense. Finish with a swirl of olive oil and simple garnishes before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.